Welcome back to Pasta Fagool. It's been a while. Justin, how's it going?
I'm so lonely.
Today on Pasta Fagool, that is us, Justin and me. So we're making golden chicken strips. It says nuggets, but we're gonna make strips. First time you've ever touched a breast. Come on, come on. I have by myself. All right, step one. Beat that meat.
Beat it!
Pasta Fagool is known for beating their meat.
Cause you wanna go there, so beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it.
Boys out there and women, you gotta be beating that meat. Let's flip it over. Gotta tenderize both sides.
You really know your way around the breast up top.
Oh, come on. That's a good one.
Oh, we go.
That's good.
That was 2 bangers in a row, dude.
2 bangers, back to back. Banger, I barely know her. Come on, that's 3.
We're on a roll.
Funniest video on the internet?
We're funny.
We do comedy. Alright, now that the meat has been beaten, we actually have to melt some butter. I'm opening this horrendously.
It's okay. I believe in you.
You shouldn't. While that's in the microwave, we're gonna cut this breast up. Grope it.
Grope it?
Manhandle it. Alright, we're gonna cut this breast up. I don't know how to do this.
Yeah, you got a little, This is entertaining.
Oh, I hope so. We make videos, we cook,
We're funny.
we do comedy. Oh, look at that. I look like a Swedish chef right there.
What you're supposed to do is you like go in and then like kind of like let it go. Yeah, like that.
Oh,
Like keep the knife down. Like keep it still
I'm
down.
trying.
There you go. There you go.
Alright, it's your turn.
Okay.
Cut that breast. Cut that breast.
See what you do is you go for a nice, elegant.
Kind of tough, isn't it?
It is. You go for a nice, elegant squeeze.
That's too thick, man.
I'll eat it.
Don't cut it like you want your women. You want this like a Minecraft skeleton. Come on, man. I told you, it looked.
You gotta hold the cutting board.
Did you hold it for me?
Well, you had it under control.
All right. I couldn't remember. Dude, come on. You worked in the kitchen.
Yeah, no, but
What
chicken
did you
is
do
damn
there?
hard.
Wash the dishes. Come on, bro.
I did.
Clearly.
Dishwasher boy. What the fuck? Yogurt.
Yogurt boy.
Yogurt bitch.
Come on, cut it, yogurt boy. Now let's read another step. We are going to actually mix 2 tablespoons Italian seasoning.
Okay. In where?
We're gonna put it in the Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan.
That Parmesan cheese. I'm from the Bronx.
Yeah, you said 2?
Yeah.
Oh, that was not enough.
What if I just like licked your elbow? What'd you do?
I'd come.
Alright, then we're gonna mix 3/4 salt. I shall do this.
3/4. Oh, you already have
Teaspoon.
one for that. Oh, you already have one for that.
You remember when we got into that big argument about teaspoon versus tablespoon? When we did
One's British and one's American.
we did the chicken
Yeah.
tacos, and you were like, it's teaspoon. I was like, no.
It's when you put fucking sour cream in it, bro. That's nasty. That shit was
No.
nasty.
It did. You couldn't even taste it. You're bitching about nothing right now. Sour cream. I bet you want to taste some sour cream. All right, we're gonna dip the chicken in the butter, then in the crumbs, then. And then in the Parmesan cheese, and then put it in the air fryer. I don't know why I had a stroke.
Ew.
Salmonella. Why are you gagging? You've seen.
Bare hands are touching
I
it.
just washed them. All right, here's a nugget for you, you pathetic worm. Chicken
Was that
strips.
necessary?
Chicken strips are so much better. No, it was not
I
necessary.
had chicken nuggets actually for lunch
Should've
at
got-
McDonald's.
Well, you should have went to Cane's. You got a chicken strip.
I think you don't like Cane's.
You don't like Cane's?
You don't like Cane's?
I love Cane's, but
Oh.
their fries are getting thinner, and nobody cares.
Do you want me to do some?
I didn't know. It's fine if you don't want to get your fingers
That's
nasty.
okay, I'll do
I
it.
mean, you almost threw up just watching me pick up.
I got it.
chicken.
I got
Did
it.
you wash your hands?
I did.
You sure? When was the last time you washed them? Yesterday? That was the last time I brushed my teeth. Just kidding.
Ew.
Just kidding. That's the last chicken strip. We're gonna put them in the air fryer for, I think, 16 minutes at 400 degrees. We have gone tip to tip for Pride Month. Our chicken is done. 16 minutes was too long. I would actually recommend maybe the 13 to 14 minute range. This one looks good. They're kind of more nuggety, but they're made with the chicken strip meat, which is actually what makes chicken strip superior to a chicken nugget, because chicken nugget is made with reject meat.
Are you done?
Yeah. Did it sound like I finished my sentence?
I was just making sure if you went on a little rant there.
I just wanted to say because chicken nuggets,
Yeah,
they're good, they're just reject meat.
So are you.
Yeah. But, you know, at least I don't suck ass. Pride Month. Happy Pride Month. I'm just gonna pick one and eat one.
But you're putting ketchup.
Well, I'll put it on this side, you put yours on that side. Segregate it. Segregate it. It's not Black History Month, so we can segregate all we want.
Oh my god.
I'm keeping that in.
It's good.
It is good. Not a glowing endorsement. But it's quick, it's easy.
Just like I do. I botched that.
I'm glad to have you here.
I thought I saw something move out that window, bro.
Might have. Who's trying to get their cheeks clapped? Shut up, Pride Month. Come on. If you break in this house, you're getting fucked.
Company's during Pride Month.
Are we the perfect cooks? Yes.
You're moving out. You're becoming a man.
I know.
It's crazy.
I'm gonna be a full-fledged adult.
As we sit here eating chicken nuggets.
Strips.
Nuggets.
It is nuggets. But they're made with strips meat, because strips are better and nuggets are shaped like balls. And I don't like balls in my mouth. Shut up, Pride Month. Come on.